In this video, I'll show you how to hide your phone number when you're calling someone. You hide the caller ID, that's how it's called. To hide the caller ID or your phone number when you're calling someone on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone, it's pretty easy. You have to open the phone app, and in the phone app, you have to tap on this three-dot menu here on top of the right. Open the phone app, and in the phone app, you look for this three-dot menu on the top right. Tap there and then settings. In the phone settings here you have lots of options, and you see I have Wi-Fi calling enabled and preferred, but what we're looking for now is the supplementary services, and these are settings for your SIM card from your network operator, from your cellular operator. Show your caller ID. I want to show you actually what happens before I make this change. I want to show you what happens before I make this change. So I have the phone number here. That's the phone number. There is no prefix, no *67 or #31 or anything like that. Here I have the phone number and I can call it, and you will see there is the caller ID showing there. So we have caller ID showing. And I want to show you what happens after I change that setting. And I want to show you what happens after I change this setting. So go to the three dots menu, then settings, then supplementary services. These are the settings from your network operator, from the cellular data provider. And here on the show your caller ID, from network default, change it to never. I can go back to the settings and I could try to dial the same phone number again. And I'll dial it right now. Yeah. And now it shows no caller ID. Now that shows no caller ID because all the outgoing phone calls from this phone now will be with the caller ID hidden. They will be either private, no caller ID, or unknown, showing on the other side. They will not be able to call you back, so this is very important. Also, on some services, some phones will have a setting to automatically reject phone calls with the caller ID hidden. So you really have to be careful. If you want to enable this option, you might not be able to make some phone calls. Even if it's important phone calls, you might not be able to do them because the caller ID is hidden. So that's how you enable the hide caller ID option. So you hide the caller ID for all outgoing phone calls. For all outgoing phone calls, you hide the caller ID. You can still see the phone number of other people when they call you if they don't hide their caller ID the same way as you do. And that's how it is. This is how it works. Most important is to make sure that you really want this. If you want to hide all the numbers, the best option for this is if you're calling for ads in the newspaper or websites, asking about the price of something, a car or anything, and you don't want them to call you back and give you 10 offers. That's a really good option. I hope this helps you hide the caller ID for all outgoing calls. This is a really great privacy option when you don't want someone else to call you back when you call them, but you don't want them to call you back for whatever reason. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.